on the which side table? Right side. So you're quite repetitive. So I want to implement left outer join, then your operator should be on the right side. Okay. So right side. Understand my point? Suppose if you applied right outer join, then your join operator on the left side. So your join is quite opposite. You can follow it. Okay, na? So now we are what I want to implement here, left outer. So I'm using in the right side of table. So when I'm using this symbol on this right side of table, from the table only matching data will get, and unmatching data will not get here. Okay. And from the left side table, complete matching and unmatching both we are getting. So that means complete data from left side table, including matching and unmatching, and only matching from the right side table. So that can be implemented in the non-ANSI format, left outer. Okay. But already I said to you, non-ANSI formats are outdated formats in real time. Okay. And maximum I already starting only I said, most of you just focus on ANSI only. Okay. Na? But non-ANSI, why I'm telling and why I'm teaching to you means, okay, if unfortunately, if you go to any interview, if the people are asking how to write, okay, a equi-join in non-ANSI in ANSI, okay, and what is the differences of ANSI non-ANSI? If by bad luck, our bad luck, somebody is asking non-ANSI format, so you are able to write that query. So that is only I'm showing, okay, now. Otherwise, if you go to other institutions, okay, no one teaching this much. Okay, no one teaching this much. Only they're teaching what now? Only they're teaching this one only. Yes or no? Only they're teaching. Okay, these part only they're teaching. This is they are not teaching. Okay, na? Actually, this is not teaching anybody in other institutions. They're teaching only ANSI and these other things. Yes or no? But here, when come to my students, okay, my intention is what now? You should know in-depth knowledge. What is what? Okay, if you know what is equijoin in non-ANSI and ANSI and how to write equijoin in non-ANSI, ANSI, okay, the complete knowledge we need to know. Because by bad luck, if anybody asks you your interview panel about non-ANSI joins in Oracle 8i version, so at the time you should go to give some response. Yes, Bonu. Yes. Other institutions are teaching only ANSI. Yes. Okay. So that is what. But here our intention is what now? You should know everything. Okay, na? But that's I'm telling that. Okay. So this is outer joints. Okay. If anybody asks you, unfortunately, in your interviews, you will be able to respond. Okay. That is only our intention. So that's why we are going to be teaching that all each and everything. Okay. Right. So non-ANSI, this is the way I can use, and left means right side, right means left side. You should be remember. Okay, na? But if you suppose you didn't understand this, leave it. No problem. Okay, as your capabilities. Okay, if you sir you said outdated, na I don't want it, sir. Means yes, you can leave it that. But all of you not like that. Na somebody wanted, so that's why I'm teaching here. Okay, right. So if you don't want it, you can leave it and you just focus on ANSI only. Okay, right. So if anybody wanted both sides, then both sides they can use. Okay, right. Okay, guys. So now this is up to the full outer. Full outer join comes what we said here. Full outer join is a combination of left and right. We said. So it means that we can easily write your ANSI. Okay, because we have a predefined keywords are there. Full outer join predefined keyword is there. So directly we can implement it here. But whereas come to non-ANSI format, what we implemented here, union operator. So that's why I'm saying that basics are very important. In future, main concepts also, operators, functions, okay, basics, what we discuss, it's very important for us. Okay, now, right. And now here we are using, okay, so why can't we write the plus operator on the both sides of tables means yesterday we will get one error. What is the error, guys? Here yesterday we get the join operator, we cannot predict on multiple tables. It can be predict only one single table of outer join. So that's why the plus operator we cannot use on both sides. So any one side. So we know left outer join, we know right outer join. So both the queries, both the select statements, how I can join by using of union operator. because set operators we discuss, set operators are using to combine the results of two select statements. It's a very clear definition I was given in the previous classes. If you go have any doubt, go to your operators and go to set operators. It's very clear a definition and syntax. Okay, now. So that I was implemented to implement our full outer join, right? Okay. So these are what now? Okay, outer joins ANSI and non-ANSI formats. Okay, let me go for the next one. Next, what is our next join here? I will go for this is cross join. Okay, now next join we are discussing cross join. So cross join, carefully observe. So how this cross join we are going to be using? Okay, now how it was working means. Can you see, guys, here? I was given one rule. I was given. Okay, I was rule. I was given one rule. I was given in the starting level. Join rule. Yes, the rule of joins. Okay, what is the rule of joins means? Okay, a row in a table is a comparing with the all rows. Okay, na? So a row in a table is comparing with the all rows of another table. Okay, na? So this is actually our rule of joins. Okay, and now we can come out and see. Now we can come out and see this rule. If you want to know, okay, practically how to justify this rule, sir, and this rule how the people was taken in this joins techniques means it's a depends on your cross join. So cross join exactly, okay, how it was working means the way of, okay, the rule whatever the people was decided here, joints will be working like each row of a table will comparing with each row of another table. So that rule can be justified with the cross join. Okay, now, and cross join, okay, so many people maybe knows or don't know. So okay, cross join is called as a, it is a it is a default join of your joints. Okay, now it is a default join of your joints. Okay, right. And next one is what now here observe. So this cross join, how it was checking the data, how it was comparing the data means it was comparing like this. In cross join mechanism, in cross join mechanism, in cross join mechanism, okay, each row of a table is or will join with the, okay, will join with the each row of another table. Okay, now. So for example, okay, for example, a table is having, okay, for example, a table is having m number of rows, for example, m number of rows. Okay, and another table, so he's having, okay, is having n number of rows, okay, then the cross join, if you apply, then the cross join, okay, will give us m cross n rows, understand now? It will give us m cross n rows. Okay, so m cross n, okay, for example, let me see in your table, in one table you have 3 rows. Okay, in another table you have, for example, 4 rows. Then m cross means multiple. M cross n rows means how much here, guys? So 3 into 4 is equals to, it will be showing as a 12 rows in my result set. Understand now? In my result set, okay, how many rows it was showing here? Total 12 rows are showing us. Okay, that is the cross join nature. Okay, let me see for examples. Let me come out and see one example. User ID and password. Okay, fine. Now, and previously we already designed our two tables in this database now. One table was there here, course, and